Hello everyone, welcome back to AJ's Global Cuisine, where you'll find an array of international dishes which you can make at home easily. Today we'll be making a special South Indian dish that is known as fish modi. It is really famous in Kerala as well as abroad. Like the foreigners who come to Kerala really like this dish. For that, the ingredients are sliced tomato, sliced ginger, chopped garlic, salt, turmeric, coconut oil, curry leaves, fenugreek seed, cardamom, green chilies, some pot tamarind, sliced onion, fish, and coconut milk. You can use fish of your choice. The best is pearl spot or pomfret. I've taken some mahi mahi which is cut into cubes. So first of all, what you have to do is marinate the fish using salt and turmeric. I'm taking some salt to taste and some turmeric. Now we'll marinate the fish using this. So we'll let this sit for 10 to 20 minutes. While this is resting, we'll continue on making the sauce. So once the fish is marinated, the next thing which we have to do is make the gravy for it. I've taken an earthen pot over here, which is made out of mud or clay, which really gives a earthy taste to the fish. I'll heat up the pot, into which I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So once the oil is nice and hot, I'll be adding a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and some cardamom. I'm putting 3 cardamom cloves. Once the cardamom starts to turn a little bit golden color, we'll add in sliced ginger. This is about a tablespoon of sliced ginger, half a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now we'll saute everything. Once the garlic gets roasted a little bit, I'll be adding sliced onions to it. This is about a 1 big onion which is sliced. I'm adding a green chili which is sliced, and which really gives the flavor to it is curry leaves. So I'll be adding a few curry leaves into it. Make sure you're not seasoning the gravy that much because we are already seasoned the fish. So once our onions slightly softened up, into this we'll add a pinch of turmeric. We will saute it for a minute or so. So once this is done, we can add a little bit of water or second extract of coconut milk. So once the water starts boiling, I'll add 2 pieces of tamarind, pot tamarind into it. This gives a nice and sour taste to it. Now into this, I'll be adding thick coconut milk, which is about a cup of coconut milk. While this comes to a boil, we'll fry the fish in another tawa. Now we'll let the gravy simmer and become thick. So in another tawa, we'll heat some oil, coconut oil. So our pan is nice and hot. Now we'll fry the fish for a minute on each side. So while the fish is frying, I'll add some tomatoes on the side, which we'll use later into the sauce. Once the fish is slightly fried, we'll add the fish back to the gravy which is boiling in the pot. Now once we added the fish back into the gravy, we'll let it simmer for 10 minutes. So while this is simmering, I'll add the sliced tomatoes which we have cooked in the oil. The tomato will give a slight sweet and tangy taste to the gravy. So after 10 minutes, our fish is nice and cooked. Now we'll transfer it to the serving plate. You can serve the fish with hoppers or string hoppers. In Malayalam we call it as appam and idiyappam. Or else you can serve it with some steamed rice. I will turn off the flame now. Give it a quick stir. Make sure you are not stirring it too much because the fish can break. So once the fish is cooked, we'll transfer it to the serving plate. I've taken some rice, some steamed rice. Now we'll serve it with some rice. So here you go. This is a fish moli, a special South Indian dish from Kerala. This is really simple to make. I hope everyone will try this at their home. You can serve this along with some rice or some string hoppers or hoppers, and it is a really tasty dish. I hope everyone like this. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, share and comment down below. Thank you.